Are you a taxi or rideshare driver looking for a reliable dash cam? In this video, we're highlighting the top car dash cams designed specifically for professional drivers. These dash cams offer 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, and 24-hour parking monitoring to keep you and your passengers safe. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on the list, AZDOME M550 Pro Dashcam. The AZDOME M550 Pro Dashcam is an excellent choice for taxi and rideshare drivers who need reliable, high-quality footage. It features 4K front recording at 3840 by 2160, capturing every detail with a 150-degree wide-angle lens. The 1080p rear camera ensures complete coverage, keeping you protected from every angle. This dashcam excels in low-light conditions thanks to its IR night vision and wide dynamic range. It also offers loop recording and a G sensor, ensuring that critical footage is saved during an impact. With built-in GPS, drivers can track speed and coordinates, adding extra evidence in case of disputes. The 24-hour parking monitor provides continuous protection while the vehicle is parked. With Wi-Fi connectivity and support for up to 256 GB storage, the AZDOME M550 Pro is both convenient and efficient. For professional drivers, it combines advanced features and reliability at an affordable price. Second product on the list, ACCEO 4K Dashcam. The ACCEO 4K Dashcam is an ideal choice for taxi and rideshare drivers who need high-quality, reliable coverage. Featuring 4K front recording at 3840 by 2160p and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, it ensures crystal-clear footage of the road ahead. The 1080p rear camera provides full protection for both front and rear views. Equipped with night vision, the dashcam excels even in low-light conditions. The G sensor and loop recording features automatically save critical footage during collisions. Additionally, 24-hour parking monitoring ensures that your vehicle is continuously protected when parked. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, you can easily access footage and monitor routes directly from the app. This dashcam also supports up to 256 GB storage, making it perfect for long trips. The ACCEO 4K Dashcam combines advanced features with an affordable price, making it a great choice for professional drivers. Third product on the list, the ACCEO 4K Dashcam. The ACCEO 4K Dashcam is the perfect choice for taxi and rideshare drivers who need reliable all-around coverage. With 4K UHD front recording at 3840 by 2160 resolution and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, it captures every important detail. The 1080p rear camera ensures full coverage of both the front and rear of the vehicle. Equipped with night vision, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, keeping footage clear at night. The built-in Wi-Fi allows easy access to video footage via a smartphone app, making it simple to review and share clips. Additionally, the ACCEO Dashcam features 24-hour parking monitoring, G sensor, and loop recording to ensure continuous protection. With an external GPS and support for up to 512 GB storage, this dashcam offers convenience, security, and reliability at an affordable price. Fourth product on the list, Sherway 3-channel Car DVR. The Sherway 3-channel Car DVR is an ideal dashcam for taxi and rideshare drivers who need full coverage and reliability. It features 4K front, interior, and rear cameras, capturing every detail without blind spots. The 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens ensures all angles are recorded clearly. This dashcam excels in low-light conditions. Equipped with 4 infrared LEDs and an f.1.8 aperture, it delivers excellent night vision.
Loop recording with a G sensor automatically locks important footage during impacts, protecting evidence for insurance or disputes. Drivers also benefit from 24-hour parking monitoring, which activates when motion or external force is detected. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow easy access, sharing, and tracking of routes. With support for up to 128 gigabytes of storage, pre- and post-recording, and a convenient 3.16-inch LCD display, the Sherway DVR combines safety, convenience, and reliability. It's a perfect choice for a professional driver seeking peace of mind.
Fifth product on the list, GMAIPO 4-channel dashcam. The GMAIPOP 4-channel dashcam is an excellent choice for taxi and rideshare drivers who need complete all-angle protection. It offers FHD 1080p recording with 4 lenses, capturing the front, left, right, and rear views at the same time. This wide, 170-degree coverage helps drivers stay safe and accountable in busy city traffic. Its Sony IMX307 sensor also ensures clear recording in low light. Furthermore, the dashcam includes night vision, loop recording, and audio support. These features are essential for drivers who work late hours or pick up multiple passengers. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and works smoothly with the FrameFox app, making video playback fast and convenient. In addition, the built-in screen provides real-time monitoring, while the G sensor locks critical footage during impacts. With parking monitoring, motion detection, and support for up to 128 gigabytes of storage, the GMAIPOP delivers reliable 24/7 security. Overall, it's a powerful and affordable option tailored for professional drivers.